So hello my dear friends, this is Harsh and you're watching Creative Vista and I know इस टाइम वीडियो डालने में बहुत ज़्यादा लेट हो गया. So anyways, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can make a very easy cover page for your science book or for your assignment or for your diary and whatever you want. तो अभी first of all I'm going to divide my area for the universe, the area which is going to be the universe and where I'm going to write my details. So it's just very random, you can just draw a line like this the way I'm doing or you can find your own way. So my plan was कि मैं अपनी गैलेक्सी को वाटर कलर से बनाऊंगा जिसके लिए मैं अभी शीट गीली कर रहा हूँ. बट the moment मैंने शीट पे पानी लगाया it bled. So it's a suggestion whenever you're working with watercolors, make sure that your sheet doesn't bleed वरना फिर वो सारा ख़राब हो जाता है. बट आई हैड नो टाइम टू चेंज द कवर सो आई वाज लाइक कि देखा जाएगा जो भी होगा. आई एम कंटिन्यूइंग विद दिस. तो इधर अभी मैं पैचेस में कलर कर रहा हूँ. मैं एक एरिया शीट का वेट करता हूँ एंड देन उसके ऊपर कलर लगा के उसको अच्छे से स्प्रेड करता हूँ. लाइक अभी मैं आगे का एरिया गीला कर रहा हूँ एंड देन अब मैं उसके ऊपर कलर लगाऊंगा एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू मिक्स इट विद द प्रीवियस कलर. सो दिस वे आई एम गोइंग टू कंप्लीट दिस होल स्पेस. सो नाउ आई थॉट कि ये स्पेस जैसा तो लग नहीं रहा है. स्पेस जैसा तो लग नहीं रहा है.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
सो आई वॉज लाइक कि मेरे को इसमें थोड़ा डार्क कलर भी ऐड करना चाहिए. सो दैट्स वॉट आई एम डूइंग हियर. आई एम क्रिएटिंग सम ब्लैक पैचेस फॉर विच आई अप्लाइड अ थिक लेयर ऑफ ब्लैक कलर इन द मिडल एंड देन मैंने अपना वाटर का रेशियो ज़्यादा रखा ब्रश में एंड पेंट का कम एंड देन आई ब्लेंडेड इट विद द रेस्ट ऑफ द बैकग्राउंड. So this is how it looks and I created one more black spot over here. So now I wanted more depth in the painting because Galaxy has a lot of depth, a lot of dark colors. So to achieve that, जैसे मैंने black color के patches बनाए, similarly I'm going to do with other colors, light blue, dark blue and some other blue, I don't know what blue. So basically with all the blues I have, I'm going to make different patches at different places to give it more depth. So now I have added a second layer to the blue color but the black seems a little faded so I'm going to add a second layer to the black as well. So now to add more depth I'm going to do a third layer of the darkest blue I have and then I'm going to slowly blend it away. So as you can see here I've written home assignment because this is my home assignment. So ऊपर I have written home in simple words and नीचे I've used calligraphy to write assignment and ऊपर जो home है I'm going to do it with a black marker and the assignment I'm going to write it with a golden glitter pen. So here comes the reveal. This is how it looks and I think it's actually pretty good. So now following the same step I've written my name, class and roll number और अभी सबको पता चल गया. So after doing this, ये area बच गया था and I was thinking what to do. So I came up with the idea that I'm going to do it similarly as I did the upper portion, so that it becomes like a portal for space and heavenly things and I don't know what not. So now to decorate my space, I'm going to outline it with a golden glitter pen and I'm going to do it twice to make it thick. अभी हम कुछ constellations बनाएंगे. It's super easy. Just make some random dots and connect them together and woof, you've got a constellation. And now make some stars like so. So this is how it looks right now and it's pretty good, huh? We're just one step there to tape the white edges. We don't have to do it with the blue one, just the white. So do that and it's done. So this is how it looks at the end and I hope you guys like it, and if you did, subscribe to my channel. It really motivates me a lot and we are close to 200, so let's make that happen.